das heißt Dekar. Dekar kommt am ersten Tag des tibetischen Neujahrs. Und when I was a little boy, around the age of 9, I was sitting early morning on the steps of my parents' house, and then came a man with a mask like this, and a little boy with a sack, and then he was doing this, what I'm going to do for you. So we Tibetans believe that, like the Santa Claus, he comes with his mask and brings a lot of happiness and prosperity. He says, I come from the land of East, from the land of Buddha Vajrasattva. So we have 1,000 Buddhas, and of course all of them is one, but they have different manifestations. So don't miss that, there are 1,000 Buddhas. There are different manifestations of one Buddha. And one of them is Buddha Vajrasattva. And the Aufgabe des Buddha Vajrasattva is to clean all the negative energies. Alles, was nicht gut, waschen. In die Aare oder irgendwo. So, heute, ich werde für euch etwas machen. Dieses Dekar. Wir haben gerade tibetisches Neujahr angefangen und werde ich für euch dieses Dekar spielen und dann in ihre Gedanken einfach denken, dass diese Dekar hat alles, was Schlimmes in den Aare gewaschen. Und morgen sind wir alle sauber. Pico bello. Hatjalos! Betende tiri namla kama sa betende dana sala sa tu betende la kushu la jaga sa betu dunga tarakana yu basuju la jaga sa betu dunga tarakana yu benero shu kochuna la kushu tarayo yo ba shago jise be gundu yo tagar ko poshu do nambare re chane yo aro na fushu do shokyo re le yo taga chaju shu do togere re chane yo lumba tabe na la tsana re chane yo lumba chube na la chuba re chane yo changa cha ta ko khala do yo bajani ba tamle ke yo chi cha so ba tamle ke yo la kushu tago nyeba melom chusum choke tete de mimako dalalo melom dewa tabje ke ba sidi shu ba melom sejo phuri mima dalalo ba melom shije phuri penda ngozo tu ba melom rimi sake den ba dashi ke ba melom chasi ka ba mala todu ta ba melom shake ta ba ke tese mimo tese momo kusuru te do ke ba den te ga sabe tuju kada ke chose shoja la ba chose shiwe melom da so la shibe la te ga sabe tuju la shedan shedu esheso shedan shedu meshi te ga kane yoma shedu ta ko sane hago bula ni shedu ta da ma de bule ham di tosu 함들도 봐 마세 살아 간제 샤유 간제 샤바 마세 가시다게 샤유라 깔라시소 야바지 자시 양자 오야 디사 수스기 게사 벤기스 툰할레 프로그르샤네 라기로 졸라갈 하jallo Ihr müsst mit mir repetieren, ja? Okay. Ha! Sag mal Ha! Ha! Lo! Okay. Denkt ihr, dass wir sind auf dem Jungfrau, ja? Und von Jungfrau unsere Brust ganz offen, so. Und dann wir schreien zu den Göttern, dass diese Welt wird gerettet von diesen Warmongers, that the global warming. She So this band is very unconventional, you know. It's not a conventional. I shall return. So the seventh Dalai Lama was born in Litang, and that's where the place where my father comes from. You. So up in the mountains above the city of Lhasa. During the time of the moon, the full moon, the luminous full moon, she would look down onto the city of Lhasa, the flickering butter lamps, and the beautiful moon shining over, and then she would say, that was Castle Tower. 길의 밤에 지주래 우리의 내가 라면 serseburudu payuche ngepama mushokabure mukaburudu pamachens ngepama mushokabure mukaburudu payuchens oya Ani kapure